Hello everyone, welcome to next topic, data interpretation. This DI is called SBI PO Mains Memory Based DI. ఇది రీసెంట్లీ మనకు SBI PO Mains లో వచ్చినటువంటి ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ బేస్డ్ DI చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇట్లాంటి డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే మాత్రం కంపల్సరీ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మీద కంప్లీట్ ఐడియా అయితే కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి. ఐడియా లేకపోతే చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది. సో దాని నుంచి అలా చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మనకు ఇది నార్మల్గా చేస్తే చాలా టైం పడుతుంది కాబట్టి కాన్సెప్ట్స్ యూజ్ చేసి చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. Before into answering all these DI questions, first you have to understand the header of the table. The given missing table chart shows the cost price of 4 different articles, namely P, Q, R and S, and also given markup percentage, profit and loss percentage, and discount percent of 4 different articles. This is the header of the table. And also we have the one note which is a footer of the table. Article Q sold at loss. Article Q sold at loss while all other articles were sold at profit. So that means P is a profit, Q profit, and also R also profit and S also profit. Only Q is a loss value. Q is a loss value. And before answering the question, first of all, any missing DA table given in your examination, first you have to work out on how many columns are given and how many rows are given. This is the most important. Why? Let's go and check it. There it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are given. The first column is called article. Second column is cost price. Third column is markup percentage and profit and loss percentage and discount percentage. And also we have the rows. Clearly, in this question, one of the row is completely given, which is called R. సో ఆర్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ రో ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి మన టార్గెట్ ఆర్ మీద టార్గెట్ పెట్టాలి. సో ఆర్ మీద టార్గెట్ పెట్టాలి ఎందుకంటే ఆరులో మనకి కంప్లీట్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇచ్చాడు, కంప్లీట్ మార్కప్ పర్సెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు, కంప్లీట్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ పర్సెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు, కంప్లీట్ డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు. అన్నిట్లో కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్ అంటే ఏ. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనము కంపల్సరీ ఏ వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఏ వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి టేబుల్లో డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. అవునా? సో సాల్వ్ చేయాలి అంటే మన టార్గెట్ ఎవరు ఇప్పుడు? ఆర్ ఈజ్ అవర్ టార్గెట్. అవర్ ప్రైమరీ టార్గెట్ ఈజ్ ఆర్. ఏం చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన మ్యాటర్ కూడా నోట్గా రాసుకొని పెట్టుకోండి. అవునా? ఎవరు రికార్డ్ అయితే పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇస్తాడో ఆ రికార్డ్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని క్వశ్చన్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రికార్డ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు? ఆర్ రికార్డ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు. అండ్ దట్ ఆల్సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ సమ్ బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఏంటి అంటే మనకు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, వీ హ్యావ్ వెరీ క్లియర్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ప్లస్ మార్కప్, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ప్లస్ డిస్కౌంట్. అవునా? సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ప్లస్ డిస్కౌంట్. సిమిలర్లీ ద సేమ్ మార్కప్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ప్లస్ మార్కప్. సో దిస్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ యూ హెవ్ టు లెర్న్ ఇట్. సో ఈ డేటా కూడా చాలా మనకు ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ బేసిక్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ప్లస్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ప్లస్ మార్కప్. ఈ రెండు కూడా ఎలా ఉంటాయి? ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటాయి. ఇది ఒక బేసిక్ మనకు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ బేసిక్ ఎందుకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే మనం చూడడానికి క్వశ్చన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ఇంకో పాయింట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, మనకు ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సంటేజ్. సో ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, మనకు రేషియో ఎవరెవరు వస్తారు? కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ టు సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ వస్తారు. సిమిలర్లీ లాస్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆల్సో గివెన్, వి గెట్ రేషియో కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ టు సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. ఇఫ్ మార్కప్ పర్సంటేజ్ is given, we get a ratio between cost price to markup price. Discount percentage is given, we get a ratio markup price to selling price. ఇవి కంపల్సరీ స్టూడెంట్కి తెలుసుంటే ఈజీగా మనం ఫర్దర్లీ ఆన్సర్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎందుకంటే ఏ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేసినా కూడా ఇవి మనకు చాలా కీ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తాయని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్లో. మరి లెట్స్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఇట్ ఇస్. సో దెర్ ఈస్ అ ఆర్ టార్గెట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ గివెన్. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఆన్సర్ ఇట్. ఆర్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ గివెన్. సో మార్కప్ పర్సెంటేజ్ హౌ మచ్? 50%. అండ్ profit percentage is given. So R is a profit. So this is a profit value. This is loss and this is profit and this also profit. So only Q is a loss. Profit is given. Therefore it is have a discount percentage. We have the cost price and we have the profit loss percentage. We have the discount percentage. We have to try to find the which value? A value find out cheyali. Avuna? A value find out cheyali. That's the most important. How to find A value it is? So we have the cost price. Cost price markup by 50%. We get a markup price. Markup price after discount we get a selling price. Selling price అంటే మనకు ప్రాఫిట్ కూడా వస్తుంది. అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ని నేను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాను. సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్కి కూడా వీ హ్యావ్ ద 2 cases ఆర్ దేర్. సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైసెస్ కూడా వీ హ్యావ్ 2 cases ఆర్ దేర్. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇంటూ 100 ప్లస్ profit percentage by 100. This is also same. Similarly, markup price into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. So both are the same scenario. Selling price is equal, what is this? Cost price into 100 plus profit percent by 100 and market price into 100 minus discount percent by 100. Both are get cancelled కాబట్టి cost price into 100 plus profit percentage is equal to market price into 100 minus డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సంటేజ్. దిస్ సినారియో ఈజ్ అ కీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇవి బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి మీరు. మెయిన్స్ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే మాత్రం ఇది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే మీరు క్వశ్చన్ చూడగానే సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే మాత్రం ఈ కీ రోల్ అయితే మనకు కంపల్సరీ వచ్చి ఉండాలి. మరి లెట్స్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఇట్ ఇస్. రైట్ నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు బ్రేక్ దిస్. ఇక్కడ మనకి క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ఫర్ ఆర్టికల్ క్యూ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ అండ్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ డిస్కౌంట్. Discount which is 4 times difference between cost price and selling price. Difference between cost price and selling price is nothing but what? Loss అవుతుంది. Nothing but what? Discount by loss is equal to, what is this? Discount by loss is equal to, what is the value? 4/1. What is a 4/1? Right now in this question discount is given. 4 parts is how much? 480 rupees is given. So discount is 480. 4 parts is 480. Therefore, one part is how much? 120. One part is how much? 120. What does mean by markup? Markup means discount. Markup means discount minus loss. So markup means discount minus loss. We can call it as a markup value. Markup value. Let me go for it. Is what is this? This is the 480 and what is this? 120. 480 minus 120 nothing but what? 360. What is markup? 360. So as per the question, markup is how much? 60%. As per the question, markup is how much? 60%. Now Q markup is how much? 60%. Now 60% is how much? 360 rupees. Now cost price always how much? 100. 100 ones are 100. 66. What a cost price? 600 rupees is the cost price. Right now, what is the loss we got? 120 rupees is the loss. Percentage how much? 100. 120 ones are 125. What a loss percentage? 20%. So which option? Option C is a right answer, and option C is a right answer. So everyone just listen the basics, important, chala important and for article Q the difference between the market price and selling price is 4 times the difference between the cost price and selling price. What is the loss percentage on article Q? If shopkeeper gives discount is 480. So if you have a complete idea of the definition of profit and loss, you can easily answer it as difference between market price and selling price. Difference between market price and selling price is called a discount. Now discount. Difference between cost price and selling price is called loss. Nothing but what? 4 times of loss is mentioned. Therefore, discount by loss is equal to how much? 4/1. So here discount is given, which is called 480 rupees. Therefore, as per the question is 480. Now one part is loss, which is called 120. Now you can go for markup value. Markup value discount ఇచ్చినప్పుడు లాస్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు discount minus loss అండి. Markup value discount minus loss is called markup value. Therefore, what a discount? 480 rupees is discount. What a loss? 120 is a loss. Therefore, markup value is how much? 360 rupees. 360 rupees. As per the DI, the table is markup is how much? 60%. This is called 60%. 60% 360. What about 100? 100 how many times? 60 how many times? 6 times. Therefore, what is the cost price of the article? 600. So 600 is a cost price. And what is the loss as per the question? 120. Now percent is how much? 100. So finally, what is your right answer of the loss? 20% is a loss. So which option right answer? Is a right answer. This is the first question. Right? So చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ బేసిక్స్ అని కంపల్సరీ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే ఎగ్జామ్లో ఆన్ టైంలో మీరు ఈ స్టెప్ వేయగలుగుతారు. లేదంటే ఎక్స్లో వైల్ అనుకొని చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. లెంతీ ప్రాసెస్ పడుతుంది. మీరు ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే యూ కెన్ మాస్టర్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ అనమాట. Now next question is also some time taking question. Listen. సో ఎస్బీఐలో వచ్చిన ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కూడా చాలా టైం టేకింగ్గా ఉన్నాయి. ఒక్కొక్కటి 2 మార్క్స్ అండి. 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమో వచ్చాయి దాదాపు. ఆర్టికల్ పి సోల్డ్ ఎట్ 2 successive discounts of 16.66% and 10%. If the same article is sold at a -% of single discount, the profit earned would be less than is rupees of 80. Find which of the following options is or satisfied with the blanks. So maybe one option satisfy అవచ్చు, 2 options satisfy అవచ్చు. అందుకే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చాడు ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ 40%, 25%, third 35%. Given 3 options are given and having data also. We have to answer it. Take the question. The P value is 400 rupees. Now article sold at 2 successive discount of 16.66% and 10% is given. So 10% is given. So ద ప్రాఫిట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమిచ్చాడు? 2 డిస్కౌంట్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది మనకి అండ్ ప్రాఫిట్ కూడా వచ్చింది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాఫిట్ ఆఫ్ పి? సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఏ వాల్యూ వి ఆల్రెడీ గాట్ A value we already got 8. 8 got 4 is a 32. Nothing but how much percentage? 35%. This is 35%. Therefore, 35% means this is a profit. 35% means, so what a fraction? 7 by 20. Nothing but what? 27 parts is given. So we have to find selling price. So cost price upon selling price. We have to find selling price. Selling price means cost price how many parts? 20 parts. And what is this? 27 parts. 20 parts is how much? 400 rupees. 400. 20 how many times? 20 times. 27 twos are how much? 540. So this is called a selling price. This is called selling price. And also, as per the question, he mentioned 2 discounts is given. 16.66% discount means nothing but what? 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Again discount 10%. 10% nothing but what? 9 by 10. Nothing but what? 45 by 60. What is this? 45 by 60. 45 by 60. If it is minimized, 15 threes are 15 fours are. Therefore, we can find the markup price. So selling price is how many parts? 3 parts. Now 3 parts is how much? 540. What about 4 parts? So how many times? 180. So what is the markup price? 720 rupees. What is the markup price? 720 rupees. So 720 rupees we got a markup price. First చూద్దాం 40% డిస్కౌంట్ అన్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ కేస్ 40% డిస్కౌంట్ అన్నాడు. 40% డిస్కౌంట్ అంటే 720లో 40% డిస్కౌంట్ అన్నాడు. సింగిల్ డిస్కౌంట్. 40% డిస్కౌంట్ అంటే what is the value? 60 divided by 100. So 0, 0, 2 zeros cancel. Now approximately 70, 76 are 420, 420, 432. Now 432. What is the profit here? It is first one profit వచ్చేసి cost price already 400. What a profit? 32, which is below 80 or not? Below 80. So first one satisfied. Everyone first one. What is markup price? 720. What a discount is offered? First is 40%. Nothing but what? 60% is the selling price. Now selling price how much? 432. So what is the cost price? 400. Now what is the value? Below 80. Okay, below 80. So I'm using the next slide for convenient method. So I'm taking cost price of P. Cost price of P is given already 400 rupees. And we have also given profit percentage. Nothing but what? 4A plus 3% is given. 4A plus 3% is given, which is equal to 35%. 35%. Now data is first mention 16.66% is discount. Nothing but what? Minus 1 by 6. Again discount is 10% is mentioned. Minus 1 by 10. Now compare data. First is 40% discount. 40% discount. Second is 25% discount. 25% discount. And third is 35% discount. 35% discount. So we have to find the markup price. So here it is 35% is profit. We can find the cost price and the markup price, and we can find the we can find ratio, cost price, selling price, and we can find the markup price too also. Now 35% means what? What is a fraction? Plus 7 by 20. Plus 7 by 20. Nothing but what? Now cost price is 20 parts. Selling price is how many parts? 27 parts. Now 20 parts is given. As per the question it is 400. How many times? 20 times. Now 27 parts is how much? 540. So right now we can find the markup price. Now what a cost price? 540. Cost price is 540. Now in this one he mentioned discount is mentioned. 5 1 by 6. Nothing but what discount is how much? 5 by 6. What is this? 9 by 10. Because 16.66% discount means what? 5 by 6 and 9 by 10. So nothing but what? 5 ones are 5 twos are 3 threes are 3 twos are. Nothing but what? 3 by 4. Therefore, so here it is markup price. This is called a selling price. This is called a markup price. Now selling price is 3 parts. Markup price is 4 parts. Therefore, what is the markup price we got? 720 rupees. What is the markup price? 720 rupees. For this one, we have to find a selling price. What is the value given? 720. How much discount offered? 40%. Nothing but about 60 by 100. So 20 zeros get cancelled. 7 into 6 are 432. What is the profit of first? 32 rupees. 32 rupees. So 32 rupees, which is below 80. So below 80, First one satisfied. First one satisfied. Next 14-year value 35%. I'm taking 35%. So I'm going to find out selling price. What a markup price? 720. 35% discount means what? 13 by 20. 13 by 20. 0 zeros cancel. 2 how many times? 36 times. 36 times. So 13 6 78. 39, nothing but about 468. What is the profit? 68, which is also below less than 80. Less than 80. So this also right. 25% means mentioned. 25% means we have to find selling price 720. So 25% means what? 3 by 4. 4 how many times? 180 times. 183 is how much? 540. Now what is the profit of second one? Profit of second one is 140. Now 140 is more than 80. So this is not satisfied. Only statement 1 and statement 3 is satisfied. Statement 1 and statement 3 satisfied. So therefore, which one satisfied? 1 and 3 satisfied. 1 and 3 satisfied. Where it is option? This one. 1 and 3 satisfied. Clearly, which one satisfied? 1 and 3. So therefore, these are options. Copy this. Listen once again. So for my content, I take the next slice. Cost price of P article is given. Cost price of P article is how much? 400 rupees is given. This is a cost price. This is a cost price. And also profit percent is given, which is as per the data is 4A plus 3%. We already find A value is 8. A value is how much? 8. Now it would be 35% is profit. 35% means what? What is the value? 7 by 20. 7 by 20. 7 by 20. And data is given. So data is given. What is the data? Question data is given. So given 2 discounts is given. First discount is 16.66%. What a fraction? Minus 1 by 6. And again discount is given 10%. I want minus 1 by 10. Now I'm going to find out about ratio of this from this cost price to markup price. Now cost price to selling price. 20%, 20 is a cost price, 7 rupees is a profit. What is selling price? 27. Let me go for it is, what a cost price? 20. And this profit is how much? 7. So cost price is 20, selling price how much? 27. As per the data, 20 value is given 400 rupees. If 20 is 400, what is the 27? It would be 540. It would be 540. Next, I'm going to find about markup price. So markup price, I'm going to do, so what is the selling price upon markup price as per discount is mentioned. Now out of 6, 1 rupee discount, it would be 5. Out of 10, 1 rupee discount, it would be 9. It is called 45 by 60. Nothing but what? 3 times and 4 times. Therefore, selling price, I'm going to find about markup price. So cost per selling price how much? 540. But as per selling price, how many parts? 3 parts. It is 3 parts. What is the markup price? 4 parts. Now it would be 720 rupees. 720 rupees. So as per the data is given, data is mentioned, data 1. Data 1 mentioned it is 40%. 40%. 40% means 720 is a markup price. So 40% discount means I'm going to find out selling price. It would be 60. So 0 zeros cancel. 7 to 6 are how much? 432. What is the profit? 32. Now 32 is less than 80. Yes, less than 80. So first one satisfied. Profit must be less than 80 satisfied. And the second one is mentioned. Second one is mentioned. What a profit? Discount is 25%. 25% means 720 minus 25%. What is the selling price? 3 by 4. It would be 540. Therefore, what is the profit? 140 rupees is a profit. Now 140 is more than 80. So second one wrong. I'm going to check third one. Third one mentioned 35%. 35% as per the question. 35% means 720. So 35% means what the selling price is 13 by 20. 13 by 20. 20 how many times? 36 times. So 13 6 are 78. 7. So 13 3 are 39. 39 is nothing but about 468. Now what is the profit? 68 rupees is the profit. Therefore 68, which is less than 80 rupees. So as per the question, third also satisfied. First satisfied, third satisfied. First satisfied, third satisfied. So which option is favorable? So option E is a favorable option. Clear? Is an important question. Now next question. Article S is sold after giving discount of A plus 2 percentage. If the cost price of article T is not given in the table, so we have to focus on T. T is 900 and it marked by 3 into 3A plus 1% above its cost price, and thus earning a profit of 33.33 percentage. Find the cost price of article S if the profit in an article S is 155 rupees less than discount offered on article T. So article T. So is given. So data ichadu. So S markup percent is already how much given? 60% is given. So I use a table. So I don't need a rough. I need a rough space. I just cross off this. So cross chedam idi manaku chusinattlaithe. So markup percentage of S. Markup percent of S already given 60%. What a fraction? 3/5. And discount also given from the question. A plus 2. A plus 2 means what is this? 10%. 10% nothing but what? Minus 1/10. Do you know who done markup? Shopkeeper markup. Who done discount? Shopkeeper. Everything done by shopkeeper, a single person. Use product up. Nothing but what we can use out of 5. So markup percent is given. So therefore selling price upon cost price is getting. So out of 5, 3 parts increase how much? 8. 5 parts means 3 parts increase 8. Out of 10, 1 part is discount, it is 9. So therefore 9 is 72 divided by 50. Therefore I'm going to do it is profit upon cost price is equal to 22 parts upon 50. 22 parts on 50. We have to find profit. But profit find out చేయాలంటే data ఇచ్చాడు. ఏమన్నాడు? The cost price of article T. The cost price of article T. The cost price of article T is how much? 900 rupees is given. And it is marked by 3 into 3A plus 1. A value is how much? Already 8. 3 is 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 3 is 75%. Now markup is 75%. It would be plus 3/4. Plus 3/4. And also given profit percentage. What a profit percent is given? 33.33%. Now 33.33%. What a fraction? Plus 1/3. Therefore, what is a ratio we get? Cost price on markup price. So if cost price is 4 parts, markup price 7 parts. And profit is given cost price to selling price we get. If cost price is 3 parts, selling price is 4 parts. But in the both cases, cost price must be same. But it is 4, it is 3. So I multiply with 3, I multiply with 3, and multiply with 4, and multiply with 4. So as per the question, given what given? So cost price is given. Cost price is how many parts? 12 parts. Cost price is 12 parts. I need a discount of T. So cost price how many parts? 12 parts. Discount means 7 3s are 21 and 4 4s are 16. What a difference? 5. So 12 parts is already mentioned 900. So 12 how many times? 75 times. 75 5s are how much? So 75 5s are how much? 375. How much? 375. What a discount of T? 375. Therefore profit of P, which is 375 minus how much less? 155 less. 375 minus 155 less. Therefore 3 minus 1, 2. 75 minus 55, it is called 20. So 22 how many times? 10 times. Therefore 50 parts is how much? 500 rupees. What is the cost price of S article? 500 rupees is the right answer. Copy this. Right now look at the question. If the cost price of article S is 25% more than cost price of article Q, while the discount percent given on article Q is 50% more than that of article S. Find the value of 2B plus 3A. Already we have A value is 8. So if the discount percent given on S is B percent and the selling price of the article Q and S is 34:45. So here it is mentioned cost price of S is 25% more than cost price of Q. If it is 4, it would be 1 more, it is called 5. Similarly, selling price of S upon selling price of Q. So selling price of Q is to selling price of S is mentioned. What is this? 34:45. 34:45. This is a given, and also while the discount percent is given on article Q discount on article Q is 50% more. 50% more means what? 3/2. 3/2 of discount given on article S. Discount given on article S. So therefore And the discount percent given an article S, discount percent given an article S is how much? B percentage. How much? B percentage. So these are data. And also as per the question, what is the markup of this value? We already found that 60%. Already found that 60%. Both markup prices same. Both the markup prices same. But we have the cost prices. So if in data changes on the table you just know. So I need a rough space to answer this question. So don't worry. We already copy this. Now, so both markup is same. Markup of S is equal to markup of Q is 60% more. It would be plus 3 by 5. It would be 8 by 5 of their respective cost prices. Now, selling price means what? If you need selling prices, selling price means what? Market price is how many pass? 100 pass. 100 minus discount percentage. This is the regular basics. So we can answer this question, simple logic. The selling price is given. I'm taking Q. Selling price of Q is how much? 34 upon 35. Sorry, 45. Which is equal to selling price means we need a markup price. Markup price of Q need markup price of Q. So for data, I mentioned very clear. Selling price of Q upon selling price of S. So you don't forget about it. It is called 34. It would be 45. So I need markup of Q. Markup of Q means what? What is the cost price? 4 pass. So what is the markup? 8 by 5. 8 by 5 into 100 minus discount of Q is how much? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 of B. 3 by 2 of B. 3 by 2 of B. So I'm taking, this is called 2B percentage. I'm taking what is 2x percentage. If it is 2x percentage, it is called 3 by 2 into 2x. So therefore it is called 3x percentage. Therefore, this is, I need a Q value, 3x percentage. 3x percentage. Discount of Q is how much? 3x. Divided by, what is the cost price of S? 5 parts. It is also 8 by 5. 8 by 5 and 100 minus, what is the discount of this? 2x. Now 2x. Now 8 by 5 get cancelled. 8 by 5 get cancelled. Now, so what would be 5 how many times? 9 times. 4 2s are 4 17s. We get 17. Therefore, we get 1700 minus 17 2s are 34x, which is equal to 9 2s are 18. This is called 1800 minus 54x. Therefore, 20x is equal to 100. Now x is equal to how much? 5. So we need a B. B is equal to, I made it 2x. Therefore, what is the B value? 10. So you're asking 2B plus 3A. Now what is the B value? 2B plus 3A. Now what is the 2 into B value is how much? 10. And 3 into how much? 8. So therefore, what is the value? 2 10s are 20, 3 is 24. It would be 44% of the question. So this is a option B. D is the right answer. Copy this. Now, everyone, so already mentioned markup percent is same. So no need to do this entire process. We can directly do this question. So we don't need to do this. So selling price of Q upon selling price of S. Selling price of Q is how much? 34. 34 divided by 45 is equal to, selling price means, what is the selling price of Q is 4. Now 4 into 100, how much? 400. How much it is? 400. Here 400. Now what is S value? 3x. 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are how much? 12x. 12x divided by simple calculation right now. Similarly, what is the mention? It is 45. So how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts means how much? 500. How much it is? 500. So this is how many parts mentioned? As per this question, this is how many parts mentioned? 4 parts. This is how many parts? 5 parts, which is equal to 100 minus, what is the markup? What is the selling prices? 100% minus discount. What is the discount of Q? Discount of Q is how much? 3x. And what is the discount of this? 100 minus 2x. Clear. Now 5 how many times? 9 times. 2 2s are and 2 17s are. This is called 1700. This is called 1800. Difference is how much? 100. Difference is 100. Next, 17 2s are 34x. 9 2s are 18. 18 3s are 54x. Now difference is how much? 20x. So therefore x is equal to how much? 5. Therefore b is equal to 2x. Then b value is how much? 10. We need to find out 2b plus 3a. 3 is how much? 20, and 3 is how much? 24. So what's your answer? 44 is the right answer. So because both are having the same markup percentages, same markup percentage means they are inversely proportional to selling prices. Remember, cost price is inversely proportional to selling prices. Therefore, 5 by 4 inverse, I'm taking, so 4 by 5 inverse, I'm taking 5 by 4. Q upon PS. Q upon S means 4 by 5. 4 by 5 inverse, I'm taking 5 by 4. We can find out direct answer is 44%. Direct ఈ విధంగా find out చేయొచ్చు. The next video we're going to discuss about SBI PO, IBPS PO, profit and loss question. The next one, today, next class, we're going to discuss about IBPS PO 2021 mains paper on profit and loss.